Hi everyone, my name is Dill. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm a Turkish YouTuber with nearly 1 million subscribers here in Turkey. I have a cooking channel and I've just started making English recipes. In my new English channel, you'll find easy, wholesome and delicious Mediterranean recipes. In this video, we'll be making one of Turkish classics. It's called MUCVER in Turkey. We can translate it as Zucchini Fritters. It's also very popular in, I think, Greece as well. So it's very easy to make, full of greens, and it's so delicious. Let's start. So I've got here 3 grated zucchinis. After grating them, I squeezed out their water. I don't want any excess water because it's gonna ruin my mixture. So in that, I add a cup of parsley, chopped parsley, a cup of chopped dill, and half a cup or quarter cup of chopped mint. I'm also adding a cup of green onions. It's a lot of greens, and that's why it's so flavorful, and it's gonna be also so delicious. And in goes a cup of feta cheese. Works great with zucchini fritters. A cup of flour. It's very easy to follow all the quantities, but I'm gonna write them in the description box below as well. And I'm gonna add 3 eggs. I'm gonna give everything a good stir. So after everything is nicely mixed, I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes just to, enhance this flavor a little, and just a little bit of salt. I'm not adding too much salt because I used feta cheese. In Turkish we call this white cheese, and it's salty as well. I'm just gonna mix it up again, and I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Make sure it rests a little before frying, and while it's resting, I'm gonna heat up some frying oil. My mixture has been waiting for 10-15 minutes in the fridge, and I've heated up some oil as well. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take half a scoop from the mixture and I'm gonna fry it in the hot oil. Like so. It will need about 7 minutes in the oil just to make sure that the inside is cooked as well. Just control your oil. If it gets too hot, just turn the heat down a little, but make sure it has to be hot, but not too hot so that it's burning. Don't forget to flip them over once you see this color. And a couple minutes, 3-4 minutes on the other side as well. And once they're cooked both ways, I'm just gonna put them up on parchment paper just to get rid of that excess oil. You can use a kitchen paper towel as well. And they're done. They look so nice, they smell so nice. The best way to eat it is by frying it, but if you want a healthier version, you can definitely layer it up in an oven tray like this and cook it in the oven as well. It will be like a pie, and that will be delicious too. So now it's time to give it a taste. They're so soft. Let's see how it tastes. Those greens that we added, the parsley, the dill, the mint, it gives it a great flavor. The feta cheese is great. We didn't put too much salt. It's not too salty. I hope you do try this at home. Zucchini fritters as a must in Mediterranean kitchen, and I'm sure that you guys will like it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, and also I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel as well. See you next time. Bye!